What was your approach when you were not picking up a ball? Was it to play as late as possible?
Yeah, you've answered the question, Asha. Is play as late as possible and not push at
because
the ball.
The batsmen here have got out lunging.
Lunging and pushing at the ball. You know, if you're not sure, you told about me how I used to play Murli. Whenever I never picked Muralidharan, that was a time when I used to play as late as possible and more with a defensive technique. And today I thought they could have played with a defensive technique. So even though they're not getting runs, with the defensive technique, with soft hands, you can actually run the ball down to third man.
We've got a bat here, and I think this is about at crease distance.
Yeah, sure.
Would you drop back into crease and play it as late, or how would you do it?
No, I wouldn't change too much because he's not quick. So you cannot go back because the ball is coming all the more slow. Yeah. I would actually play on the front foot, commit as normal, but not push at the ball. It's important to play with the soft hands close to your body. So even with the angle, the ball may hit and go towards third man, or you can drop it between the point and the cover fielder. But once you push that, because he's getting that cutter to get that extra bounce, it has to go in the air. And that's what exactly happened with Rohit Sharma or a Dhoni or Ajinkya Rahane yesterday. Is because, and the reason he's doing that is building a pressure. And because the batsmen are looking to rotate the strike, batsmen are looking for runs, they're forced to push with the bat instead of just playing with soft hands.